this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and this is a Glitter Girls collaboration for a birthday for a very lucky young lady named Maya. It is her birthday. She has just graduated high school. She is an aspiring young lady and is really blessed with things. So today I'm going to do a little manicure for her, and I hope she likes it. I've already put this beautiful light blue polish. It is called Dreamy Summer by Modelones. It's a mini. Love this color. I have got some water decals here by Shoppe that I'm going to be putting on. I got some bling off to the side. Going to be using that as well. So, pour me out some bling, so I know what's what. And then a couple of little bigger ones. Just a couple. So we're going to put those out. We're going to do the water decals first so I know what's what, where I'm going, what my plan is. There we go. I know on the thumbnail I'm putting the happy birthday. So I want to start there. Let me move over my butterfly. Just slide the backing off. Deposit it wherever you want. Dab, dab, dab. Get all the water droplets off. Line it up on the nail where you would like it. Get your silicone tool. Just slightly slide it over. Make sure there are no water bubbles. No air bubbles. Sorry about that. Oh no! Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. Oh, I can't get it to move. Oh no. Just say birthday happy. Oh Maya, I am so sorry. Here I am jacking my jaw and I'm not paying attention as well as I should. And once these puppies are stuck on a gel polish, kinda it. So our happy is gonna be underneath. Whoops. There we go. I am so sorry, Maya. How silly of me. There we go. Our birthday happy is on. Oh, that bums me out. Really, really bums me out. Now I'm gonna go for my butterflies. These are also a beautiful blue. Dab your water off. Make sure they're laying flush on the nail. When you use the water decals, even some stickers, our nails are not flat. You need to score around the edge of your decal, sometimes your sticker. That way they, go with the curvature of the nail. And you're not kind of stuck looking like a silly goose. So we've got those decals taken care of even though I messed up. Oh, I'm so sorry. So sorry. I have got Top It Off by Beatles. That's going to be our top coat of choice today. Let me seal in the decals first. I feel so silly that I did that. So silly. So my blue ones here. Put them about the nail. Make sure I am in frame. Sorry if I wasn't. Sorry if I was not. Maya, I hope you have a very blessed birthday, sweetheart. I'm sorry about the birthday, Happy. I really am. Flight. Get you a nice coat of top coat on. Okay. I'm gonna put some of the littles randomly about the nail. Still feel so silly. So silly. Place your gems however you would like. I'm gonna pop this in the lamp for a quick flash cure. I'm gonna put that in for a quick 5, maybe 10. Then we'll go in with the rest of our embellishments, the rest of our gems. Put these together. These are our biggers. There we go. There. We got a great while I'm at it. I know that's probably a little bit more than quick flash cure. I think I want to put those little butterflies from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. Charlie's Nail Art. Oh shoot, I can't talk. Charlie's Nail Art.uk. Nope, still messed it up. See if I can get it right this time. Charlie's Nail Art.co.uk. There's so many different varieties of butterflies and all different things you can get. It's just makes me in love. Whoops. See if I can get some embellishments and gems on here real quick. So I'm going to give this one a flash cure as well. I think that is just gorgeous. So we're going to stick this back in before they slide about. Pop that in. I would have set it for 30, but I'm not leaving it in there that long. I'm just giving it a quick flash cure. Then I think the rest is going to be gems. Okay, let's take that out. Alrighty. You're good. You put your polish on. Those 3 swipes will back down the middle, and I messed it up. So this ain't good. So watch what you're doing. Take your time. There we go. There we go. Love putting the bling on. It just really changes the manicure. Really changes the game. Put this one down where it goes. We stick this in for a flash cure. Whoops. Maybe twice, maybe a good 10 seconds will be good. And we're on to our last and final nail. Already put on this nail. In my nail. Let's re-wet this nail with some top coat so that we get the gems to stick to this one as well. Because I did an oopsie. I did an oopsie. Cured it without putting the gems on. And I will fix these in just a second. Just a brief moment. Okay. One more. There we go. Gonna pop these in now. Whoops. Shoot. Pop those in for a full 60. Alright, we are just about out of the lamp. I'm going to put away my Charlie's butterflies. This whole thing here is filled with Charlie's items. I got this off of AliExpress for like $5. It's supposed to be like 56 compartments, I believe. I thought this was a great little find. I thought I'd show you. I have like 2 of these and another half of one for my Charlie's. Great, great find. Okay, our nails are done. Oh, we lost a nail. Oh. We got stuck in the lamp. How does that happen? Wow, I've never had that happen before. Lost, it got stuck down in the wedge. I pushed it too far. Holy cow, Batman. Well, Maya, I hope you like your manicure, honey. Happy birthday. Really sorry about the birthday, Happy. Happy birthday, baby. Hope you have a blessed birthday. There should be a playlist pinned where you can watch everyone else's video to Maya. And I hope you enjoyed. Hope you like these. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell, that way you get notified of all upcoming videos. I upload at least 3 times a week. Tuesday is my docu-series where I learn acrylic and whatever I've conjured up for that week. Thursday is a crapshoot into the nail art world where I will venture. Saturday is always She Modern Saturday. Well, we are at the conclusion of our video for today. Happy birthday, Maya. Have a blessed day. Thank you.